Hello, everyone. This is Check Your Understanding number 3 on page 324. All right. So determining the equation of a quadratic function given some characteristics. So we have done this in the previous section. And let's look at the question. The graph of a quadratic function passes through this point, and the zeros of the function are -4 and 2. Write the equation of the function in general form. Now, guys, you might be tempted to use this, all right? Or you might be tempted to use this. And for the most part, I think you guys would want to use this, but then you have to understand that if you were to use the vertex form, you have to have the vertex. Unfortunately, we don't have that, okay? This one, I don't even know how you're going to be able to do that using that one, all right? So Um, what if, let's look at what this means. The zeros of the function are -4 and 2. Well, the zeros of the function are the same as the x-intercepts. Therefore, the x-intercepts are -4 and 2. Yeah. -4 and 2. Now, how do you use these values? We have the x-intercept, and we know that it passes through the point 6, -60. Let's use the factored form, which is this one. Okay. Now, how do you do that? Now, guys, this x1 is an x-intercept. This x2 is an x-intercept, right? This xy will be the coordinates of a point in the graph. And we are given a point in the graph, which is this one. Therefore, if we can use all of these values in here, all right, we can figure out what the a value is going to be. Excuse me. So let's try that. This y value would be the y value um, in the point that you're given, -60. What is the a value? We don't know that. What is this x value? We can use the x value in the point that is in the graph. What is my x1? One of the x-intercepts, -4. What is this x value? Let's use the x value in the point that is given. What is x2? The other x-intercept. Are you okay so far? All right, so let's take a look. Let's simplify. -60 equals a times 6 minus -4. That would be a 10. Times 6 minus 2 is a 4. Yeah? -60 is equal to 40a. Dividing both sides by 40, we get a is equal to -3/2. All right. So you might be thinking, okay, in the previous section, what we were doing was that what we found the a, we plug it in to the vertex form, provided that we have the vertex, which I don't think we don't have it. Okay, but that's okay because we can use this. We can use this again, right? Because now we have our a value. So how do you do that? So y is equal to -3/2 times x. Now, x1 is one of the intercepts that we got right at the beginning, x minus -4, which is just x plus 4. x2 is the other x-intercept, which is 2. And then let us just expand this. times x squared plus 2x minus 8. Or to come up with the standard form wherein there is no factored out, there's no common factor that was factored out, so I will do the distributive property. Negative 3 halves x squared minus 3x. Negative 3 times negative 8, positive 24 over 2, plus 12. And there is your equation in general form. Thanks for watching.